So what happened to your tire?
It had a nail in
A
it.
nail. Somebody
Nah,
said a girl slashed it. Somebody sent me a private message on Facebook.
man, that shit
They
was
say
something.
Peaches,
It
I
wasn't
got
even much a
something to tell
nail.
you.
It was something else. That shit was big as hell, though. Nah, I'm gonna tell bald head, look. They already tried to get me to get new. Look at bald head, Miss Tail.
You a liar,
But I
a
need, it was
cheater,
right here.
a deceiver, a heartbreaker.
Hmm.
They say a girl cut them tires,
I
boy.
tried to plug it, but it
They
was
say
too
you was
big.
playing me like a fiddle.
Oh, that bitch was smash my tires, though. I don't know about it.
Mm-hmm. So get me.
Now I gotta look how to take the goddamn
What's the
spare.
difference between?
No, cause the spare under here, and I don't know how to take it out.
Mm.
Oh, I need to see how to take the spare off. Yeah. So I had to use the key. I had to look on YouTube how to do this shit. I ain't know how to unhook this shit. So they said go right here. Shit off and say this key don't work. And they said gently pull it out, wiggle it out. Okay. Alright, they say you'll feel. I had to just put these two up. It's locked in. They look on YouTube, I didn't know what was going on. And then they said put this like that. And then Lord, I need two hands though. Alright, y'all, mine ain't going on the ground. I don't know what happened. It's going back up. That's crazy. Alright. Alright, I said disconnect this cable. I can't, man. I gotta look at it. I don't even know how to do it. No, I'm supposed to twist this or what? That's why you want to change it. Let me see. So I got tied. So this thing right here, just push it through this hole sideways like this, and push it up, and it'll come out. Now I got the tie. I'm gonna raise this bike up, cause I gotta go get a new tie. Let Ed put this shit back on. Yeah, I see it's raising back up and twisting this. I finally got it on.